Hi, it's Lily. 皆さんこんにちは. How are you today? I think this video will go up in the new year, so Happy New Year to you all. I hope you have a wonderful 2022. As you can see in the title, today I want to make soba from scratch. I'll do a quick explanation later, but in Japan, it is very, very common to eat something called toshikoshi soba at the end of the year. And I'm all about trying new things and learning new things, so I'm going to try making it from scratch myself. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Please come along for the ride. I hope I can make something delicious. If it goes well, I'll have my friends try it too, so we'll see. Look too hard. I guess we'll see. Welcome to Lily's Kitchen, where we're going to try something new. So, これを買ってきました. I bought this sobako from Hokkaido. There's different kinds of soba. You can make 100% straight soba, or like you mix it with flour. I'm going to do the one where you mix it with flour just because it's my first time and apparently it's easier to do it when you mix it. So yeah, this is 100% soba buckwheat powder, and then uchiko, which is to help it not stick, and this is also made from soba. So also from this video where I looked for treasures at my friend's house, I got a soba knife, which is, it's a certain type of knife that you use to cut the noodles. So if I manage to make the noodles correctly, we actually have a real knife to cut it with too. So yes, we'll see what happens. Join me. Come along for the ride. Let's do this. I was the one to tag along. So there's actually specific like tools and rolling pins and things that you're supposed to use specific for soba, but I don't have any of that. So I have a normal bowl. I have a normal rolling pin. Shoganai. It can't be helped. I've never had sobako like this before, so let's see what it looks like. It looks like normal like brown flour or something. And it smells nice. It smells like it's flour. Oh, the consistency. 今ね、触ってみたらね、全然普通の小麦粉と違うね。It's very soft and smooth. 食べてみましょう。It tastes earthy. その土のいい香りの味がするっていうか、こうなんかちょっとこう自然の味がするっていうか。I don't really know how to explain it, but it tastes earthy. It's not bad. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, let's try to make some noodles. I've actually made udon in the past, so I'm hoping it's something similar like that. We'll see. I don't really know what I'm doing, but life is that way. You can't wait till you know everything. あるものでやっちゃえばいい. That's kind of my life theme these days. 楽しみです. I was the one to tag along. I remember how we started to realize we're miles apart. Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable. あとちょっとかな. It kind of sticks together now, but it's not enough water to completely stick together. But you don't want to put too much water in apparently, because then they'll break easier, and they already break very easily. So, あとちょっとかな. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. I'm really having quite a hard time mixing this because the bowl is so small. この上でやろうかな. I think I'm going to put it out here and try to do the last mixing on top of the countertop. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. And the sun rise, we can flee the night. I got it into a piece of dough. ちょっと硬いの. It's like really hard. I don't know if it's supposed to be this hard. This is my first time, so I don't know. なんでこんな硬いの? 大丈夫かな? I'm just gonna do this for a while and see if it changes. 硬っ. have brought in reinforcements. It's too hard. 硬すぎて What do you think I did wrong? It's so hard.
It reminds me like with like tortillas when you do that, like you put too much water too.
Do you think this is too much water?
Maybe.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just gonna try roll it out. Is that okay?
It's right here. It's right here.
Let's see what happens.
Nothing. No! Dang it! I thought I could do it.
I think you can do it. I mean, nothing is always perfect on the first try.
So positive. Maybe it's not shippai yet. Like this, at least I separated it in two. Yaba. Oh no. No, I'm so sad. That's not okay. No. No. It's not toshikoshi soba, it's shippai soba. I'm sad.
What state does this look like? No, I'm just kidding.
Man, 硬すぎやろこれ. Oh my, like it's not even, it's not.
It reminds me of Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's not okay. これやばいって. I mean that's way too thick of noodles. This is very depressing.
A few moments later.
It might be a little softer. We might have got it. なんか柔らかいよ. It's softer. There's hope. I was scared. I was so scared. Oh, thank you for saving me.
Would you like fuel? Eating the little.
I love all. Oishii. That is really good.
In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fade.
なんとか救えたと思います. I think I was able to save it. It seems softer and lighter. I'll check back in with you once I get the other ball done.
A few minutes later.
Oh no, こっちも硬くなっちゃって、やっぱね、変になっちゃった。ちょっと今ね、インターネットでいろいろ調べてみたの、硬くなる原因とか、こう混ぜすぎとか水の入れ方とかいろいろあって、多分全部やり方間違えた。どうしよう。まあちょっと伸ばしてみるか。もうそれしかないよね。なんかちょっと気になるな。I'm a little bit worried. I'm able to roll it out, but it's like breaking apart really easily. I've heard that soba breaks apart easily, but ここまでちょっと切れないと思う。やっぱおかしいね。Oh no! 伸ばせても切れるとは限らないね。ポロポロ取れちゃう。なんで？これじゃあ確実にこれじゃ切れないよね。Oh no! 切るとさ、It's not connected. I thought I had fixed the problem. ダメだみたい. I'm gonna need to buy some soba for my guests tonight. 大失敗だ. ギブアップではないですけど、再チャレンジをいつかまたしようかな。やり方ね、いろいろ間違えたと思う。まずちょっと片付けて、で買い物して、でこれどうにかする。しょうがないよね。So I'm back, and I was able to get a couple packs of this nama soba so that we can have a meal successfully tonight. For sure, this is going to be delicious. It's just not handmade by me, which is sad, but hey, maybe next year. That was exhausting. なんかすごい疲れちゃった。It's okay when things don't go my way though. I'll just try again another time. I pretty much spent all day dealing with trying to make soba and then failing and then having to go buy soba. That it's about time to start dinner. So I'm gonna go start dinner and then just have my friends over and we'll have a delicious meal together for the end of the year. Please join me. So I know I majorly failed with the soba, but I'm going to make up for it by making sure that my friends eat a delicious dinner either way.
Now is that I really know that you are the one, the only one for me.
大失敗したからさ。見てほしいの、そう、失敗そば。
見して。え？
いや、あのね。
This is 粘土？
粘土、ほんとクレイ。 本当に大失敗。
でも活気にしたら
そう
そう
丸い、まあこういうのさ、ちょっと団子作ってさ伸ばしてなんかうまく揚げたらサクサクチップスになるかなとか思ったんよ。
サクサクチップスね。
もったいなすぎてさ、
そう
やばいよね。頑張ったのは一人だけこれでいいかなと思ってたの。そしたら麺にならなくて、
一人で食べるとなんか涙出そうやな。
そうやね。
なんかちゃんと買ったからご飯はちゃんとしてる。一応そば失敗したのでつゆは自分で作りたいと思います。
One thing that I'm sure of is that you are the one.
では早速手作りじゃないそばを茹でます。ごめんねみんな呼んで、こんなもんでこんなのが作りたかった。
To worry over every situation. The feel of desperation.
大丈夫、it's okay.
Know that you are the one, the only one for me. You are the only
手作りそば会にようこそ。
イエーイ。
本当はここでね、初めて作ったそば食べてくださいって言いたいんだけど、どうぞ。
イエーイ。
いただきます。And so for toshikoshi soba, you're not supposed to cut the noodles because it's supposed to represent your long life. So you're supposed to suck them up instead of biting them. Yes. And 切れやすいから、去年の今年だ。今年のその後悔を過去に置くなんか意味もある。だから長年生きるための長い。だけど切れやすいから過去にその後悔を置くっていう感じで年を越すっていう、まあ、意味もあるらしいよ。調べたらそう。日本人は多分長いから年をロングライフって思うだけでしょ。
I don't know.
I don't know. そうらしいよ。The noodles are because they're long. You want long life, and then also they're brittle, so you want to leave your past regrets of this year in this year, and then go to the new year. Leave your regrets behind. まあ本当にみんなのおかげでなんか楽しくこの街で新年迎えることができる。みんなここに座ってるみんなに実はすごい救われてる。一人一人。なんでありがとうね。
いや、welcome。
来年もよろしくお願いします。
こちらこそ。
来年の大晦日にまたちょっと挑戦するからさ、そば食べてきて。
リベンジ。
リベンジ。
その時にここにこう去年の動画見て。
いいじゃん。あ、できなかったねって。
リリースリベンジ。
リリースリベンジ。そばリベンジ。パート2ね。So that was a long day. 長い一日でした。いろいろ今日は失敗しましたね。But it's done. In the end, it worked out. 最終的に大丈夫でしたね。I had a really fun time with my friends eating dinner and just talking and laughing. 友達といい時間過ごせていっぱい笑えましたので、最終的に良かったです。また来年の大晦日トライしようかなと思ってます。I want to try again next year. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you a successful video, but なんか I just want to show you my real life, so that's what happened. 次回の動画でお会いしましょう。I'll see you in the next video. 本当に皆さん良いお年を。多分これ見るときはもう新年なんだけど Happy New Year! 今年もずっとよろしくお願いします。頑張りますので皆さんも頑張りすぎずに頑張ってください。よかったらリリーを続けて応援してください。Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Happy New Year! いつもありがとうございます。Bye!
In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In the paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. A change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise